2011 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, cloth bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.